Stop by and take a look at the 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, LED headlights, traction control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.